Yo, what's up, you guys? It's Nathan with Freedom Influencer. This is going to be an awesome video for you guys because we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing, and I'm going to be sharing with you how to really make money with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to be going over an example using Clickbank here. This is going to be my example. So if you're looking into affiliate marketing, if you're brand new, watch this video. If you have experience with affiliate marketing, but you want more results, watch this video, because what I'm going to share with you inside this video is literally how I'm making $1,000 per day and even more with affiliate marketing. Okay. And this can be applied to any network that you use. So like I said, I'm using Clickbank for this example, but it's these principles in marketing strategies that I'm going to teach you here that have allowed me to make multiple six figures. If you see all the top super affiliates out there, they are doing this. So what you need to do is replicate what I'm going to share with you. You need to model it in your own business, okay? So let's get into this, you guys. Right now, this is Clickbank. This is the affiliate network that I'm sharing with you guys today. And here's what happens is people will come in here, and you can see all these different categories here, right? And so what we're going to do is we're just going to take the health and fitness one as an example, okay? And there's all of these different products, right? And here's what happens. People will take these products, they'll click on this promote, they'll get their affiliate link, right? And they'll try and go promote it. So this is what most people do. They'll go over to Clickbank, all right? And they'll grab a product off of here. And they want to make money, okay? And that's all they're thinking about is, oh my God, I just want to make money. I just want to make money. Yes, everybody wants to make money. I understand that. But in order to do this, you have to be implementing some things that make sense, okay? And what I'm going to share with you right here, what most people do, it doesn't make sense because it's flat out does not work, okay? So here's what happens is, they'll take from Clickbank one of the affiliate links, which goes to like a capture page, or we'll just say a sales letter, okay? And there's usually a button here, and this will go straight over to a sales page where the money is made, all right? So what happens is they go to Clickbank, they find a product, and then what happens, we all know that in order to make money and to actually make sales, you need to be driving traffic, okay? So that's what they try and do, and maybe they struggle with this. They try to make a lot of money, and maybe they even invest money into traffic, and then they're sending them here. Maybe they even create their own little opt-in page to make money, and they're spending all this time, energy, effort trying to make this sale right here, okay? This is how affiliate marketing typically goes. This is why people fail, okay? Now, am I saying that you cannot make money doing it this way? No, absolutely, you can make money. But this is not how you make $1,000 a day. This is not how you make $5,000 a day. This is not what the super affiliates are doing, okay? So please pay attention to this next part, because this is what I don't want you guys to do. And so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share with you how to build a successful affiliate marketing business. And this is where the power comes in. So I'm just going to jump over here, get that out of the way, and we're going to get into this. So we're going to start with square one again, okay? We're going to start from the very beginning. You do the same thing. You're going to jump over here to Clickbank, okay? You're going to pick a category, and in this case, let me see if I zoom in here. For this case, we're doing health and fitness. Now, before you even pick a product, what you need to understand is this right here, okay? This right here is what's important, not the product, not the product. And I know some people might be disagreeing with me, but that's fine. That's okay. If you make right now more than $1,000 a month in affiliate commissions, then please give me some feedback on what I'm telling you. But if you're not making $1,000 a month, please listen to this. All right. And actually, I know for a fact that super affiliates are doing this, making over $100,000 a month. So what do you think about that? All right. This is what's important. Okay. Health and fitness. It is the niche that you are in. Okay. the product is almost irrelevant. Yes, you want something that actually helps people, something that gives value. So the exchange for money is good. You don't have to do that when you're leveraging something like Clickbank. It's already done for you. Okay, I can go right here and I can zoom in here. I can read the gravity of different products and how good the market is responding to the products. All right, it's already done for you. Now, with that being said, knowing that our focus is on health and fitness, now let's go into the sales process and how we're going to make a ton of money, okay? So instead of only focusing on the technical side, right? In the technical side, meaning building out a capture page, building out, okay, so you have let's just say your product right here. This is your Clickbank product. And then you have a capture page here, right? All this stuff, great. You can build this stuff. There's other videos on that, and then it'll go over, here to make sales. All this stuff is just the technical stuff. This does not even really matter. Let me undo all this. I want to share with you how to make money, how to really make money, an income that can change your life, not just, throw something up and try to become an affiliate marketer, make a couple sales, and never have true success, and then end up quitting. Okay. Here's what you need to focus on. So I'm just going to draw this up here. Health, okay? Health and fitness. This is an H here, you guys. This is our focus. This is what we need to be focusing on, okay? Now, we can do two things here, all right? We can create content, and this can be through a YouTube channel. This can be through a blog. This can be on Facebook. It can be on Instagram, however you want to do it. You're going to create content in health and fitness. All right. The other way you can do this is through advertising. Okay. Ads. This is what you focus on right here. And for most people, they don't have a budget to invest into ads. So, let's just cut this out for now. For most people, I know that some people out there may have money to invest into advertising to grow their business. But I'm thinking of the little guy here, okay? The person who's brand new, who wants to create success in affiliate marketing. You need to create content, okay, in your industry that gives, here we go, that gives value. Valuable content. It's helpful. So the way that you can do this is simply go to YouTube, all right? What you're on right now, you're probably watching this on YouTube. And go research other videos that are doing well in this industry. And all you need to do is recreate those videos yourself, okay? You make them yourself. And then from this, guess what happens? When you consistently do this, and you do this over and over, what's going to happen is you're going to build a brand, all right? This content, when it's helpful and it gives value, you build your brand. This is one of the most important things that you can do, okay? Valuable content equals building a successful brand. When you have a successful brand, guess what you can do? You can then go and promote your Clickbank offers, whatever that may be, inside of the health and wellness niche. Now, because you gave this value here, because you've built a brand, people now know you, like you, trust you, you build an email list. Now people are going to buy from you. The chances that they buy from you are way more because you've built a brand. You guys, this is exactly what I've done in my own business. Not in health and fitness, but this is just an example. So whatever you're trying to promote, you need to take a step back from the product and say, where am I? What am I building a business in? All right? So some people may say, okay, well, that limits me to only health and fitness. Yes, it does. And for the most part, that's what your focus is going to be on. So I want you guys to niche down, figure out, what am I passionate about? Am I passionate about health and fitness? Am I passionate about, it could be real estate. I don't know. Are you passionate about showing other people how to make money? That's what I do. My industry is make money and entrepreneurship. That's what I've built my brand in. That's what this channel is Freedom Influencer. Okay. And so what happens is then you can go and not just promote one product. Maybe the next day you want to promote a different product. Well, guess what? That's going to help a different audience that you have. And then you can make money over here. Well, maybe some of your audience that, you've built your brand up, they want a different product and you can make money over here. So I really hope that you guys understand the power of the content in doing this right here. All right. This is the important thing. And let's draw a little star here. Building a brand in a specific niche. That is where the value comes from, because then guess what? You can, make thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars like I've been able to do in affiliate marketing. But then when the time comes for you to transition, okay, and you say, you know what? I've made hundreds of thousands or millions of dollars if you want, because you truly can make millions with affiliate marketing. And then you say, well, now maybe I want to create my own products and make money myself. And then what happens is, instead of doing this over here and promoting other people's products, you create your own and you sell your own. Now you don't have to split commissions. So now you have been in the industry, you have information that can help people as far as fitness goes. Now you put together a course or a product of your own, and guess what happens? Now you get 100%. You get 100% of the payout. So instead of commissions, through affiliate marketing, now you're getting the full 100%, which is awesome. Not only that, but now you can leverage affiliate marketing, and your product now, you can bring on affiliates out here, and I'll just say AFF, affiliates out here who go through your course, go through your product, and then they start promoting your products. Okay. So a lot of people, when we're talking about affiliate marketing, most people think about going out there and promoting other people's stuff. But when you do this for, a good amount of time, you build a brand and you build up a business where you're making a good amount of money, where you create freedom in your life. Now you have the time, now you have the knowledge and the know-how, and then you can go learn, and then you implement and create your own products. And then you bring on affiliates to promote your products. Now there's leverage where you're paying other people to promote your stuff. Okay? This is what the super affiliates are doing, you guys. This is what they're doing, okay? And instead of paying for ads, right? Instead of paying for ads, this is like the big bonus tip here, you guys. Instead of paying for ads, running cold traffic to, a sale, a product way over here, now what you do is, because you've built this brand up, you have this audience, okay? You have your own audience because of your brand. Now you run ads to people who already know you. And now this is where you can promote stuff and make buco bucks, because your ads are going to be way cheaper. This is exactly what I've done. I'm running ads right now, and the only ads I run are what we call retargeting ads. It's people who already know me. They already know my brand, so I pay very little to get a lead and to get a customer. I pay very little, you guys. And most people are going out onto these platforms like YouTube, going out there on Facebook, Instagram, trying to run ads to people who have never seen you in their life before, and you want them to buy a product. And that's not how it works anymore online. People won't just say, scrolling through their newsfeed on their Facebook and see a product one time because you're promoting it, and go through your sales funnel and buy it the first time. The chances of that happening are very slim, and you're going to pay a lot of money to make it happen if you do make a sale. All right, you guys, this is how you do it. This is how you do it. This is my experience with it. I'd love to hear what you guys think about it in the comments. Did you learn something? Does this make sense to you? Did I leave anything out? I would love to hear from you guys in the comments. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up. It really does help, and I appreciate that. And of course, guess what? Since you made it to the end of this video, I'm going to let you guys know about my ebook that I'm going to give you for free that I personally wrote, called Affiliate Marketing Riches. Okay, I'm going to leave a link in the description. You can go click that link. It's going to take you to put in your email to get my ebook, and I'm going to send it to your email 100% free. All right, and I go step by step how I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars, using the power of affiliate marketing. All right, you guys, this is Nathan with Freedom Influencer, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.